Say good morning. Good morning, sunshines. Yes, and I'm sitting. I am sitting down and I'm not fussing. Yeah, I'm not fussing at all. Yeah, I'm actually smiling for you guys. Yeah, say hi, sunshines. Hi, sunshines. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, good morning, sunshines. Good morning, Madison. Good morning, baby. Yes. Yes. I love you. I love you. What's your affirmation for today? Say, I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Madison. All right. Morning, guys. Look who I have here. Miss Madison. So, yeah. Today we got to go to the MBA. And Jackson's still here. The older kids are gone to school, and I'm kind of like wavering back and forth whether or not I want to go anywhere, because he gets on the bus at 12, so it's kind of hard to go anywhere during the day when I have him, because if I go anywhere in the morning, then I'm gonna be late coming back to get him on the bus, and if I go anywhere later in the afternoon after he gets on the bus, I'm gonna be late picking up the kids from the bus. So, but I'm gonna push it and see what I get done. I have to go to his doctor to get hold on, let me turn this TV down. I'm contemplating on whether or not I want to do it, but I'm gonna do it. If that makes any sense, I have to. Let's see. I have postpartum shedding, guys, and it is real. Like, I've never experienced postpartum shedding before, and I'm experiencing postpartum shedding, and it's driving me crazy. It makes me want to cut off my hair, and I can't cut off my hair because I cut off my hair 2 years ago. I was like completely bald, so my husband don't want me to cut off my hair, but I'd rather have no hair than to have damaged hair, you know. So let me put this little girl down because she wants to get out of my hand. So like I was saying, my hair is shedding like right up in here in the crown. Is it crown? I don't know. Right here, so I have to bring my hair down to cover it, and then right up in here, and then a little bit on the edge right here. It's kind of like thinning out. And yeah, so I don't know what to do to stop the shedding. So if you guys know anything that I can do to stop the shedding, I have biotin, and I've been contemplating taking it, but when I take biotin, it breaks my face out. So it's either or. It's either I deal with the breakout or I deal with the shedding. Either or, one of the two. So whichever it is that I can deal with less, or both, I don't know, whatever, guys, whatever. So that's that. What else do I need to tell you? My husband's home. Long story short, he no longer has his day job. He let that go, so he's back on, he has his night job, so he's back on working at night. So that's that. What else? Still have my Christmas tree up. Gotta take that down, I'm sorry. And the good thing is my hubby's home, so the table is cleared off and over there is decluttered. When my husband is home during the day, like right now it's 9:30 and he's been up since 5, so when he's home during the day, he gets so much done than I can. I don't understand how he's able to get so much done, and I'm struggling just to get one thing done. So it is 11:58 and I just got back from the doctor's office. I got this filled out. I'm gonna stick it in his backpack, and it's almost 12. It's 11:59. We're waiting on him. Ew!
Oh man, that was a big one.
So I'm gonna stick this in his backpack, and we gotta go to the MBA. So we're doing good, thanks to my husband. So yeah.
Hey, what's that?
What's the matter? saw. I said I was coming right back. Yeah. She's tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Yeah. I'm just getting back from the MBA. So I paid the flag fee on the Ford Explorer. So we're back in our family truck. Because before we are in the F450. So yeah. And my husband had an accident in it on Saturday. So we're at fault because it happened at the back and not the front. If it was the front, she would have been at fault. If it's the back, then you're at fault. Anything that has to do with the back of someone else's vehicle, you're at fault. So always remember that. So we went to pay that, and the F450, nothing happened to it. There's no scratch, nothing on it. It's just her car. So yeah. Right, Mama? Right, Mama, go? Yes, we're back in the family truck. Yes. Are you ready for your nap? She's a bit off schedule because usually she naps from 12. Her big nap is from 12 to 3. So she's a bit off because it's now 2:10. So whenever time she's off schedule, she's a bit cranky. So this is her schedule. She wakes up anywhere from 7 a.m. and she'll play a little bit, and then I feed her at 8, and then she'll go back down around 8:15. She sleeps until around 8. Like I was saying, my battery cut off. So her schedule is from 8 a.m. Her feed starts from 8 a.m. and she feeds every 2 hours. So 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 4, so on and so forth. But her nap time is at 12, so she doesn't get a 2 o'clock feed. She usually feeds around 3:15-ish, and then she stays up until around 5, and then she nurses again at 5, and stays up for, take a quick nap, and then she goes back down, wake up around 7:45, eat, take a nap, and she's up by 7:45-ish from that little nap, and then she goes down at 9:30 and sleeps throughout the night. So that's her schedule. Hopefully I explained that. Anyways, I'm gonna go put her down. I'm gonna go put her down so she's stop fussing. She doesn't become too cranky. So I'll see you guys later. He's finally down. What time is it?
2:08.
2:08. Yeah, no, 2:35.
Oh, go.
The kids are home. Let's see how many seconds it takes for them to come in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got a hiccup. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 seconds. Hi, Destiny. Hi, Destiny.
Hi.
How was school?
Good. How are you doing?
Nothing. Ah! Hi, Jaxson. How was school?
Good.
Good.
Hi, beautiful. How you doing?
Because my hands are cold.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Hi, Jordan.
It's so strong. Hey.
Hi.
You gonna do your homework?
Still waiting on one more.
Big man. Big man.
Why are you walking in our bed?
Not me walking.
I'm still missing a child.
Big man.
2 childs.
One. Jordan came to say hi.
Ow!
Big man.
The babies are home. The babies are home. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
What did you do today?
I ate cupcake.
Cupcake. Oh, more sweet stuff? Oh, man.
2 cupcakes.
2 cupcakes? Oh, wow. I'm still waiting for Jason to come say hello. He's always the last one because he's rushing. He rushed from the bus stop straight to the bathroom. It's always either Jackson first or Destiny first. Always come to acknowledge us.
I'm not first to go in the bathroom.
Jordan, and then last. Sometimes Jason don't come to acknowledge us. I don't know why. He's not that kind of kid, right? He's even for bedtime.
Jason's not the first one.
You're like, oh man, guess who it is?
Me.
The late child.
How's it?
How was school?
Good.
Good.
I took off my jacket.
Where's my
You
drink?
took off your jacket?
Dad, I couldn't get your drink because you didn't bring me to school. I didn't take off my jacket.
You didn't bring it to the store?
Why I didn't take off my jacket? Because there was an alarm alert. Did they bring me to the
A
store?
who?
Alarm alert.
Alarm alert? What do you do when there's an alarm alert?
I go outside.
Stranger danger.
You gotta go outside.
Stranger danger. Was it a stranger danger alarm?
Did you get outside in time?
No.
Was everyone accounted for?
Yes.
Yes. Did your teacher call your names?
No.
No?
We just went.
You just went? They didn't account for all the children?
No.
No? They're doing something wrong then. They're supposed to...
We don't need a count.
No, account. Like, make sure that Jackson is there. Ryan is there.
Jeffrey.
Brandon, Jeffrey. I think all those were made up friends, but
Andy.
you get
No.
the gist.
Brian.
There's not an Andy in your class?
No.
No?
What about Brian?
There's no Brian in your class?
No. Ryan.
Ryan? Oh, there's a Ryan. So, was there Ryan at the alert?
Take it, Chihuahua, okay?
Ooh, Missy's up.
Okay.
What's wrong?
I got your water. Hope you have yours too.
What's wrong? I gotta go tend to her. I'll be right back.
I had a lunch.
McDonald's had a lunch?
Yes.
What are you working on, Ellie?
Homework.
Homework.
What you
Jackson, leave the baby.
Hi, Daddy.
What you doing for homework?
There's articles out to. Oh, it says choose an article, adjective, and noun from the word box and create a subject for each sentence. Hi.
Okay.
This is an example of silly. A is an article. Adjective is silly and noun is seal. A silly seal balanced a ball on its nose. And and funny, a crazy. No, an old. Let's do an old owl built a nest in the tall tree.
An owl?
An old owl. Yeah.
Jackson, can you scratch my butt?
Oh, let's see.
Up.
What's that?
That.
What is that?
A duck or something?
It looks like a duck.
Let me see. A funny.
Oops. How did the bone go to the doctor?
Yes.
He took a cab? He took a cab?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
He took a
you hurt
cab
my
to the
tetanus.
doctor?
You hurt my tetanus shot.
I did not hurt your tetanus shot.
Yes, it
I
hurt.
can't hurt your tetanus shot. I can hurt the area where you got the tetanus
It
shot.
hurts.
Oh.
I got my water.
The crazy.
We got yours too.
I
There's
got
this lady
mine.
that sings that song on Facebook. It's so funny. I got my water.
I got mine.
Hope you got yours too.
How did you know that song?
On Facebook.
Not my class.
I'm trying to spend time with everybody before Hubby goes to work tonight. I'm gonna miss him. I'm gonna miss your books.
We've been together all day.
I'm I'm gonna miss
Up and
you.
down the road.
I did it.
Oh, Grandma says hi.
Oh, Grandma said hello.
Grandma's house, you know?
Yeah, we went without you.
Mm-mm.
How's that mean? We had to go to the doctor's office to get Jackson's stuff filled out. So we just stopped by.
I don't want to go.
Yeah. Too bad. Too bad you didn't go.
Mommy,
Too bad. What?
Me and Carla made fake phones at recess.
Who?
Why is the line always so
Fake
mad?
phones at recess.
Welcome to our world. The one is Eden right here.
Mommy,
So she's Eden.
Mommy, wait, no.
And my husband is over there trying to take a nap.
Oh, Mommy.
Jaxson, are you supposed to be working on your numbers?
The sweet?
Where's his numbers, Illy?
No, in my backpack.
Are you supposed to be working on numbers or letters?
Numbers, letters.
Numbers and letters? Go get it. Go get your pack. Go get your pack.
The ABC one.
No, go get your pack so we can work on your letters.
No, 1, a 2, an old owl built a nest in a tall tree. My funny duck told a very hilarious joke.
So I think I come on here and end the vlog. So that's it for tonight.
No.
We have to end it.
No.
We gotta end it.
No, we have to go to the store.
We ain't going to the store. We ain't going to buy the store.
Yes,
Ugh. I'm shedding.
we need to eat dinner.
Oh, now I can show you guys. So, see,
But you're
all of
ending
that
it right
is
now.
gone.
We're ending it right now.
And also on that side, all gone. So, I'm shedding. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.